Berbangnya company bilun Boeing Jipun Nerima Manah Peluang Kerejasama di Serungkai Begulai Enggau Sarawak. Presiden Boeing Jipun RG John Madah ia ampu berasa cukup gagit bertemu muang Enggau Premier Sarawak divisi vision yang ngalau Enggau nariat ati berkawa pemansang bahan api penerbai menua SAF ungkup industri penerbai. Kuya Raban Boeing sedia merit sukuang ngagai vision Premier Sarawak yang ungkup pemain dudiari sektor penerbai.
Sure, I think it was, first of all, we were very excited to have the opportunity to meet Right Honorable Datuk Patinggi. I think a few things excited me about it. One was, I think, his vision for sustainable aviation and sustainable fuel in Malaysia.
Ia nyebut jakuknya lebuh di randau UKAS ngau TBS, mengudah ngatur randau Begulai Enggau Premier Sarawak serta delegat Perintah Sarawak di Tokyo kenari dua. Nangkanya Eric Madah ke perkara ketiga di kerandau Begulai ianya peluang nerang bahkan ni Boeing oleh ngerembai Begulai Enggau Perintah Sarawak ngau nama bagi pengawak digagak dikenal mujur ke vision.
I think the opportunity to explain how Boeing could grow together with the region of Sarawak and what we could do to contribute to those visions that he has and grow together with them, pull in partnerships with Japan, with the region. So it was an excellent opportunity to discuss that today.